Morning glampers, how you doing? So as you can probably tell, I'm just on my hike up Caer Caradoc. Anyone remember the yappy little dog? Just chased me up here. Gadgy. So now it begins, going into the cloud. Up this bit of a hill here. Oh, it's gonna fucking kill me, this is. Oh, I'm fucked. I've crumpled over like a sack of shit. So there's Caradoc just up there in the hills, and we're taking this path. Alright, mate. I hope you ain't one of them angry bastards and you're gonna charge me, because I'll have to land the fucking nut on you, pal. I've took the wrong fucking path. Lost. It's a bitch to see in this fucking fog. Mist, rather. I found the path now. Yeah! And so we're here. Straight to the top. Just got the jet boy light. Having a brew. And this spot is where me and the lads kipped about 4 or 5 weeks ago. There's 4 of us up here. And my god, it was windy as hell. Poor shout out to these legends who have served me this amazing pint in the Royal Oak. Respect.